Hello, everybody. In today's lesson, 10.3, we're going to work on making picture graphs rather than just reading picture graphs. And so we're on page 489 of the second grade Go Math textbook. And go ahead and get a bag of different color cubes, blue, red, green, and orange, and take turns with a partner taking a cube from the bag. Okay? And then I want you to record um, each time you take out a color with a happy face. So each happy face will stand for one cube. All right, I'm just going to go ahead and show you what is one possibility. Let's say I did it and I pulled out one blue. Then next person took out red. And then if I took out blue, and then the next person took out green. And then the next person took out green again. And then blue. And somebody got orange. And green. And then blue. And then maybe there was one more blue and one more orange. Okay. All right. So this is what is possible. Okay. So each happy face again stands for one cube. So blue was drawn 5 times. Red was drawn twice. Green was drawn 3 times out of the bag, and orange 3 times out of the bag. Okay. All right. And your numbers and data might be different than mine based on what you and your partner drew from the bag. But realize that each happy face is one cube. Okay, so each picture in the graph stands for one flower. So we have to look at the key, okay? You have to understand that the key tells us what these symbols mean, all right? And so in this case, each oval, the blue oval, stands for one flower. Draw pictures to show the data in the tally chart. Now, before I would draw the pictures, I would actually write the frequency right next to the tally chart. So Jesse had 3, so I'm going to write in the number 3. Inez had 5. Remember that whenever we have this set of 4 and one diagonal, that means 5. And then Paulo had 4. All right, so get out a blue crayon, blue pencil, and go ahead and draw in your symbols. Inez had 5, so I'm going to draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 symbols. Okay. And Paulo had 4, so I'm going to draw 4. Okay. So that's all there really is to a picture graph. Okay, we do have to have a title on the graph. Number of flowers picked. Jesse picked 3 flowers. Inez picked 5, and Paulo picked 4. All right, so keep that in mind as we do this one. So use the tally chart to complete the picture graph. Draw a happy face for each child. And so we have this tally chart that says favorite sandwich. And we have 4 different types of sandwiches that were being surveyed: cheese, ham, tuna, and turkey. And so next to the tallies, I'm going to go ahead and write the frequency. So cheese was the favorite of 5 students. Ham was the favorite of 2. Tuna was the favorite of 4. And turkey was the favorite of 3. So now on the graph, we can just go ahead and fill these in. So again, the picture graph has the title, favorite sandwich. These were our 4 types of sandwiches. And we have to have a key. We have to tell what each symbol means. And again, in this case, each happy face is one child. So for cheese, I have to make 5 happy faces. Okay. Ham, there were only 2 children that chose that. Tuna was 4. And turkey was 3. All right. So how many children chose tuna? Well, 4. How many more children, that means subtract, chose cheese than ham? Cheese was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ham was 2, so 5 minus 2, 3 more children. Okay. And page 491. Okay, this is the last page of this lesson because the next page is the mid-chapter checkpoint. So number 4, use the tally chart to complete the picture graph. Draw a happy face for each child. So each happy face represents one child. We're surveying or asking children what their favorite fruit is. And we have 4 favorite fruits: apple, plum, banana, and orange. Okay, for apple, I'm going to go ahead and write in the numbers on the tally chart. 4, plum was 2, banana 5, and orange 3. So apple, I'm going to draw 4 happy faces. Plum, you have to draw 2 happy faces, right? Banana, there are 5 children who chose banana as their favorite fruit. And orange was 3. All right. How many children chose banana? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many fewer children chose plum than banana? How many fewer is a clue that we have to subtract. So banana was 5, plum was 2. So 5 take away 2 is 3. There were 3 fewer children that chose plum than chose banana. How many children chose a fruit that was not a plum? All right, so apples were not plums. Apples, 4. Bananas, 5. Oranges, 3. All right, so we just have to add those up. Everything else on the picture graph was not a plum. So 5 and 4 is 9, and 9 plus 3 is 12. 12 children chose something that was not a plum. Which 3 fruits were chosen by a total of 10 children? All right. So let's see. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Plum, banana, orange were chosen by 10 children. That's the only way to get 10. If I go 4, 5, 6, that's 11. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that's the only possibility is to count these 3. Okay, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. All right, so that's it for making picture graphs. So until our next lesson, I'll see you soon.